guys, and welcome back. My name's Natalie from Wiplabs.com, the #1 place for crowdfunded, innovative tech products. If you think your product belongs on our site, give us an email. I guess give us a shout. info@wiplabs.com. Today, we're going to show you a little closer look at the MagSafe cable. I have them here. We have them in 3 colors: gold, silver, and rose gold. They have a little indicator light for when they're charging. And you can see that the heads come off and attach with the same sort of magnet idea as the famous Apple MagSafe cables. It's to protect your device from if you trip and you send your iPhone flying across the room because it's attached to the cable. Saves you for things like that. But it's a neat cable. It comes with 3 heads: micro USB, USB-C, and a lightning cable. And you can see, I just want to show you how easy it is when they're already in here. So there you go, boom, like that. You could do 1 cable for multiple devices. Pretty cool. And they have a magnetic head, so if you have any of those sort of those cable holders that are magnetic, you can also just easily attach them so they also stay in place that way. So simple but very useful little device. Let me know what you guys think. If you have one already, if you'd like one, I would love to hear everything about what you think for the product in the comments section below. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you soon on Wiplabs.com.